So that volume doesn't change. Now I'm watching stream of stream of stream. I think we're good though. Just I need to boost the volume here. Doesn't do anything. Alright, I guess I'll just leave it. So alright, start the stream. Yeah, I'm repping. Got the 2019 here. I'm a bit late to the party. I'm about an hour late to when I said I would start. If all goes well, in the next few hours, I'm gonna do all the pull requests that I need for Hacktoberfest, and I am gonna get rid of this because it's super confusing. There we go. All right. Yeah, let's go. I did some triaging yesterday. Where I'm gonna start here is actually the definitely typed repository. Actually, I do need Twitch up because I just gotta mute it. The chat. Cool. So yeah, input ref prop, giant old interface here. Yeah, terminal up. Yeah, so definitely typed has some interesting rules. You have to like write tests for each pull request, etc., etc. Now I think I have. Let me see here. That's open. I've got aliases for all my code. I think I may have it already. Yeah, so you know what I'm gonna do, since I haven't cloned it since October 27th, I'm gonna get rid of that totally and then just reclone it. Then I'm sure I have the most up-to-date version, because I don't think I have pending commits or whatever, and if I do, I don't even remember having. So or remembering what I did. Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in here. It's a huge repo. It is absolutely massive. Right. So I already copied that, but that's okay. Yeah, I think it's. Take a look here. Yeah, it's a gig, at least. Yeah, while that runs, see if I can understand the issue a bit better. Input ref prop missing from typings. I don't even know if they doing Hacktoberfest. Oh yeah, all right. Props. Input ref. React calendar. Not sure. Oh, this is super old. Input ref prop. So it seems like it's in the library, but it's not in the typings. So I need to find in the docs where it's referenced. Is it done? Are we done cloning? No, it's super big. Ah, the heck? React date picker. GitHub memory. There we go. I need the docs. Do 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 do. So where are the docs? Before you continue, blah 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 blah. Usage, recipes, user guide. This is input ref. Aha. Beautiful. Okay. So I would guess like these other guys, oops, are in there, right? Oh boy, even the new stuff isn't in there. The format year. Format short weekday. So format year would be another one, just for example, that's not in here. I won't know for sure until I pull the things like such a massive repository. I need more tunes. Where are the tunes? They're gone. If I can just go next here. Give me the tunes. One sec, everybody. I am doing some housekeeping. You know, for zero licensing music, stuff is pretty good. I mean, you can't complain. Is it done? Did it clone yet? Yeah, to me, I'm gonna just add the input ref, and that's it. It can also be a function. Use ref. Oh yeah, okay, the hook. With those, I believe those return the same types. These two. The create ref and use ref return a react.ref, I guess. Yeah, I'll have to see what is there for the options. Yeah. All right, here we go. This is in your grandma's repository. This is a freaking giant repository. All right, well, I'm gonna queue them all up. Let's do it. And then we will do the next one we got here. Table, easy. React table, easy, easy. So, table, blah, blah, blah. So, it's optional. 2 thumbs up. Cell does not exist on type table column. Wouldn't be an optional type. Sounds like it's not even defined there. So did I get some... Okay, I got some CPU back after all that. So... now I'm gonna kill it again. Open it up in Visual Studio here. Yeah, and there's a way to run the tests. Oh boy. Okay, so we're gonna try back to the React calendar here. I think I've destroyed it. I think I've ruined it. Actually, you know what? I think this to save my computer from exploding. Oh, no, I do not. Is that it? Just React calendar. Just open this one. I want that pull request. Give me that pull request. Dun, 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 dun. Alright. Me also. How do the pros do it? Like, how do they get notifications and play music and sound, but not mute? I don't know. I don't know. I also have to, one sec here. I promise I'm gonna get to the exciting part. There we go. All right, index.ts and some tests. So don't tell me this is just one big interface. Oops. My computer's slowly dying. Slow death. Alright. Yeah, it is a giant. It's right here, dude. Interface ref object. Is that from React? Yeah. Well, that's a throwaway. This is old, but just gonna write him. Just check the latest types here, and input ref is defined. Although, oh wait a second, maybe on calendar props, yeah. Can you confirm? I'm like a maintainer of definitely type. Awesome. I'll just even put in the. Hopefully the other issue here, this React table one, is a valid issue. Let me copy this input ref type for him. Boop. And this is of course type script. Cool. Right. Yeah, it's optional. All right. My computers are very slow. So, that is a dud. I'll throw that one out the window. And delete the, the bookmark here. So, property cell does not exist on type table column. So we're gonna get out of here. And we are going to is that the only one? And React table. Open this up. I'm gonna give me a second here. I'm gonna also go live on Insta. If I know what I'm doing. Probably don't though. And how do I go live, guys? I'm a boomer. I don't know how to do this. Live. Ooh, fancy. Enable camera access. Enable microphone access. Hold. What? Does this mean I'm live? Hold for video. Let's see if this works. Checking connection. Then what I can do is put this up here. Whoa. That should be okay, right? Let me check. Should be okay. Yes. So, my internet's gonna slowly die here too. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Streaming and streaming and streaming and streaming. Oh, don't mind. Gonna need the. Now everyone can see my password. This will be fun. on, I9. I know you can do it. I swear, this guy spent half the stream setting up his stream. Alright. What is the... comment while I'm live here? The web app doesn't have the same features. IGTV. I think I really can't see it. Whatever, I'm gonna leave it. I don't care. So. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you get to also add your name. So table column. Let us find this table column. Use table column options. I want type table column. Oh man. What? Although there's a V6 in here, which is quite interesting. Property cell does not exist on type table column. Probably near, right? Table column. It's not here, dude. React table. Import column cell from React table. Oh yeah. What? Property cell. Aha, he's... What? He's creating his own... What? Because there's a column type. It's actually about the create column function, which takes an object. So hopefully this has a signature. Column value. So is column a generic? This is weird. Why is he typing on top of the existing types? Just use the types of the library. D extends object, okay, and he's passing in. Oh no, it's another red herring. Because he's defined this create column, right? What is going on? I am actually not sure what's going on right now. I have to double check that this code is not in V6 somewhere. these are just additional types. Column.tsx. They're not in here. More oh no, more red herrings. They're files you've written, then it is clear why it's not working. Cell would not apply to the type you've defined for column value, since you've only defined like a key value, key string, and this is this sometimes you gotta wonder. So let's just do it. There's no harm, right? Boop. Surprised it doesn't. It should yell at me, right? Yeah. Yeah, because this isn't even valid syntax. Oh man. Because you're an object. You're in an object. This would have to be like this, right? I swear I'm losing my mind. Yeah, there's two brackets here. Ooh. But even, right? So maybe post code that alright, whatever. It doesn't matter. I think is what you're trying to do for cell. I think the syntax you wanted was something like this. Not was, should be, right? Should be. So TypeScript, yeah. Why are there? See, I look at these quickly. What is going on? I look at these quickly and I see good feedback. Like it's probably an open issue, but you win again, GitHub. You win again. Oops. Some weird period stuck in there. All right. For cell, I think the syntax. Whatever. I'm just gonna. Alright, GitHub 2, me 0. And we are, how far are we into the stream now? Almost a half hour. No pull requests resolved. Not even created. But we are gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I believe in us. Oh yeah, this was interesting because it's a jQuery. It is a jQuery issue. Types jQuery. Return type for get is HTML. Yeah, this would be awesome if I could do a pull request on this. Because it's jQuery. I mean, it's a bit of a dino, but it might be fun. So we'll go back and cd into how many jQueries are there here? 130. So I guess it's just jQuery. Let's open that up. Really sad. How would you say? Development of events. Man, is this a big project or what? What's going on? All right, here we go. Okay. First question is which version? Legacy. You'd have to hunt down. Oh boy. HTML element. V1, V2. I have no idea what all those are. Those other ones. If I search get here, it's gonna be freaking a bunch of results. Yeah. We can try, maybe we can try. That looks pretty good. Always returns element. However, in practice, we can see that this is not always true. So he's doing this index 1. If the value of index is out of bounds, doesn't that throw? Not sure. I really don't know. HTML element. So basically, this would be my pull request. Are you guys ready? This is the moment you've all been waiting for, even though no one's watching the stream. Here we go. Da 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 da. Dot get. Is that the only one? I'm actually surprised. Get. These are more complicated. Pretty sure it's the one I've edited. Yeah, but I have to read the docs because I think it's based on if your selector's undefined anyway. Let's see what it says here. Oops. Whoa. What are we doing? So each square master is array. Fancy. Okay, get can do negatives. Yeah, but what if confusing myself? But anytime you call get, this will be anyway undefined. So it doesn't make too much sense. Returns undefined. Oh, it does say that though. Out of bounds. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's true. So they built it's safe. Even if okay, let me see here. See if I think Chrome still has a copy of jQuery. Whoa. There it goes. There it goes. So like if I do hello. Here we go. If I do some crazy something crazy, which I would assume is not on the it still creates jQuery is so interesting. Right, and then I want to let's get the first one, right? All right, yeah. So it doesn't throw. I would assume it would throw because it doesn't exist. This is correct though. Beautiful. First pull request on jQuery. jQuery. What's the saying? jQuery's dead. Long live jQuery. But the one thing he's talking about HTML element, which I'm less. I think he meant element. Yeah, I think it's fine. And I would guess. So let me search this whole types thing and see. This must be called into tests. Yeah. Oh boy. What is static? How many tests are gonna break now? But I mean, it is correct. It returns undefined. All right. Let's see the typing checks here. I'm still going here. Uh-oh, there's a lot of red. Start at the top. Oop. Where's the red? Where's the red, man? Oh, but they're info. What is this? Wonder if I should just push this without any tests. There's freaking bugs sitting that have nothing to do with my I may go for this. I may just push it and cite the You know what, guys? I made a horrible mistake. I did not fork. I have to catch up. Oh no, I didn't fork. I didn't use my version of the definitely typed. I'm really bad at open source. All right. Yeah. And you got to do all these because I have to make sure my. Oh, no. Yeah, I think I'm again gonna just like delete because you need to catch up and then it has to calculate all the diff. Yeah. 5,000 commits behind. Legendary. Alright. We are even. Let's go. Yeah, I need to make a branch, right? It's never simple. Okay, go to the playground here. So this will be this is my version, or my fork of definitely typed. Yeah, I should branch off. Can I edit my little... Okay. Very, very boring. Very, very boring. It's gonna take forever to download. Yeah. Alright. Just updating. gonna take forever, as usual. You think of a nice branch name for our, we'll just call it like get dash undefined fix. I think I'm gonna use the I'm going to use source tree to do it because I don't want to screw up. While that goes, I'm going to write a message on instance. So. Alright, well, let's move on to the next. We may have a possible pull request in the bucket. Keep moving here. So. Ooh, yeah, and there was this express one. This could be fun. This could be fun. Oh yeah, but this thing is like, this is the Ramdo one. So we already have what I'm missing. Ooh, this stuff is weird. Especially if you don't know Ramda. Something like this, except I'm going to unwrap this correctly. What's the difference? When true function. I'll see. It basically gave me the answer. I just have to check the types. So are we finally done here? No, we're still resolving deltas. So this may also be a possible one. Looks good, looks interesting. And next, the express. Yeah, this one will be cool too. Inference fails with arrays of request handlers. Request handler params. Spread the array. Yeah, but these types won't help you in JavaScript. That's the whole point. What does he mean in JavaScript? If it's broken in JavaScript, it's broken. Period. Like, TypeScript compiles to JavaScript. This is horrible. Interesting. So there's a big typing error. Error request handler. VS Code fails to recognize the 4param version. It doesn't recognize the overload. Oh, okay. So it's just a matter of... This doesn't work. This does. I doubt it's fundamentally a TypeScript issue. Yeah, overloading methods are always tricky with TypeScript. So, can I do my awesome pull request now? Of course I can. Alright, let me pop into source tree here. I gotta use the GUI because I'm just lame. Come on, source tree. You can do it. Alright. There it is. Add existing local. Playground. Or is it definitely typed here? Cool. So I'm gonna branch off master. What did I say? We'll call it like jQuery get fix. Oh yeah, you get to add your name too. That's the cool part. So okay, so I'm on this branch now. Hop in here. types, jQuery. Yeah, I'm gonna be a bit sneaky here and just push that one little change because there's multiple errors. I mean, now we can check, right? Like I can look at those tests and there's already type errors in them. So the tests aren't perfectly clean themselves. And according to those docs, the undefined is correct. All right. So yeah, let me just like, what did I open? This one? The jQuery tests. I had that open and the typings were like not working. That's gonna take a while. The editor's gotta wake up, do the type check. Unless it really is. Yeah, here it goes. Activating extensions. Yeah, there's so much red. Oops. So much red here. Big file too. So I get to be famous, la la la. I am Prince Fish Thrower. Alright, let's just go to this get. Is it? Here we go. The first pull request of Hacktoberfest for me is somewhat underwhelming, I would say. Undefined. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna save this and merge it. And we're gonna can I like numbering the issue in the comments. I can go back to it. So this will create a new branch. Stage it. Question is if it's in the other, if it's in V1. But people using jQuery V1 but with TypeScript types, I think have other problems to be worried about. So that's committed. Now I think I want to hop back on the official one. These are all fine. Just take that. I think there's a prompt. Yeah, see? GitHub's awesome. Had recent pushes 1 minute ago. Compare and pull request. Meaningful title. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, they make it quite easy here, right? Nice little template. Oh, yeah, you have to compile and run. Uh-oh. Yeah, I have to run npm test. Select one of these. Okay. Delete the others. Boop. Provide URL. URL here. It's perfect. It's over here, right? Where are those docs? This. Oops. Not really a version change, so okay. So it's NA. I think I should leave it or get rid of this. If removing a declaration. Nah. Alright. So, yeah, I gotta run test, but I don't expect good things to happen. The thing's broken. The types are anyway broken. There it is. So, npm test. Do I write the types? I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, it's in their Bitbucket or in their README. My package tests. Yeah, let me reread this. I read it each Hacktoberfest and then I forget each year. npm install. Okay. Oh, you can do partial clones. That would have been helpful to know. Okay. Naming, tests, blah blah blah. Tests. Yeah, I gotta install. It's the first step, right? So, npm install. That'll be a miracle if that even works. This will take forever. Just keep going. Find more. And I should also I'll cite the jQuery docs. Just do like that undefined case, all right? No idea how long this will take to install. Speak the devil. Alright. So, now we run. Let's see what happens here. I'm very curious. Some really wacko things. They have like, yeah, they do something with like a linter that you can install per package, per type package, because like the package is the lint. I don't know, some crazy stuff. Just enjoying some soy, I guess chili con soy. Proper fall meal here, I guess. No such file or directory. Oh, so it is just jQuery. You don't need the types. I should actually look into the tooling of how definitely type works, because it's pretty cool. Super good. We're doing something. Still doing something. Anyway. So it brings in. Boop. I think otherwise we're good. Ready to. I'm about to click create pull request. I ain't even scared. The only slow part with getting the pull request merge is the human element, right? Like this, the bot will merge. It does all the tests and the diff and everything, and then it just notifies like everyone you saw on that list, like the authors. It notifies each of them and says like, "Can you confirm this?" So, and usually I write a comment on the original issue to say like, "Okay." I don't know what the linter's doing right now. Just sitting there. Whew. Alright, we'll be right back while this continues to install. Gotta give me some more of this chili. Oh, what is it doing? Why is it so slow? Did it do something? It did something. It didn't say anything. There's no errors. So I am going to click the green merge button. Let's do it. Or it's not merge, it's create pull request. All right. Let's go. First one. Yeah, but I think they won't. I'm not sure if they show up or not. I think they have to be approved to show up on your DigitalOcean thing. Well, Ethan Redmond. What was it? Ethan Red. Freaking. 2. Just paste that in. It's exactly what the docs state. And I made up a list, blah, 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 blah. And now the bot goes through here and does some fancy stuff. If I can click things on my browser without my computer exploding. Oh no way! Browser outs here. Cool. Check has started. So let's see. I'm curious. I'm curious to see if it shows up. Got my tasty chili, all as well. Everyone can see how fast my computer is when I'm streaming. It's so fast. Oops. Sorry again, everyone. There was a network error. Awesome. Slow, man. What? So, moving on. What the heck is going on with draw frames? 10%. Types around the let us get into Ramda. Oh, I gotta hop on a different branch too. Figure out why I can't stream properly while doing other code stuff. I wonder if I need a dedicated machine for it. That's not a bad idea. So chili done. Let's go. You can even see it in the video, the stream, how slow my machine is. It's crazy. Other files. All right. What are these? Source. Yes. Let's just search for what that guy put. Like I said, he basically gave us the answer. Or solution when. Oh, it is an index.pwcs. Just overload. Let's see here. 2138, so it is not a small file, that's for sure. 2138, and before I do that, don't forget, I gotta make another branch. Oh freak, I need to freaking, this would be, yeah, I'll just call it when function fix. Right. But to do that, should hop back to master. I don't want to branch off the jQuery. I want to branch off master. All right. It'd be great if I can get these two. I'm halfway already. Not get them, but at least, or get this one, then I'll be halfway. So I hope. All right. Now we make a new one. And I will say, yes, I want a new branch exactly the same as the one I made. This is Ramda, when function fix. Working copy parent, right? This music is not bad, I'm telling you. For free music, free licensed music. I mean, we're chilling. So 21, line 2138 is where I'm going. I am going. Whoa. So I'm gonna find. Wow, look at all these. What was it? 2138? Did I say? Huh, near the bottom. Just the final argument. This stuff approaches my approaches the boundary of my skill set. Just paste it in. True. I mean, TypeScript doesn't care about the grouping. Whoa, that's fine. Yeah, here comes the wallop here with this. Once the JS/TS language gets in here, let's see what happens. I see a red that's up top. I mean, we can try. Be a freebie. Would be a freebie. I mean, it's not complaining. But in this case, I would add tests. No idea how to do this. I don't know Ramda. I know it's like the dyad, functional dyads and stuff like that, but. Oh, test. So we would hope it's called when? When tests. Do-do-do-do-do. Guys, oh, here it is. Free overloads. Add one if not nil. Yeah, I need. This is tough because you need complex functional examples to test these groupings. This is cool stuff. Oh, that query's okay. Instead of returning it, that is that. Read my own docs, not my own, but the own docs. This is the final argument by passing it to the given predicate function. If the predicate is satisfied, the function will return the result of calling the when true function with the same argument. If the predicate is not satisfied, the argument is returned as is. I don't know what I'm doing. I gotta sleep on this one. So basically what I could do is try and find another R lambda function that has these types. Stream is not fun when Dev is very quiet and thinking. So what is this? This goes all the way to the end, or there. Name, right? So this is the pred with the double return. This is the predicate with a functional return. I'm not the functional guy. At least not at this level. Return, right? Yeah, this one, the second one is returning a function, but this calls a function that returns inputs. Wonder if I can take the first one. Right, to me, it's another level of nesting. This would be like you would call, oh boy, you would call this entire thing as a function. Oh boy. So it's this would be the third case. First entire argument is something. Oh man. Did the guy write originally? Functional. I'm gonna message him. Yeah, we should add tests for completeness. And so um, for example, the existing when typings and their tests. We would need the same for these new permutations. Note that the actual, not answers, note the actual result of calling these functions are never used. We just need to make some calls so we can verify that TypeScript, excuse me, doesn't complain. I'm wondering if we can just use different combinations of the existing examples with, what is there, R, R, R dot prop satisfied. R dot pipe, and so on. So this can go away. I'm done with this. Boop. Come on now. Okay. So I'll show the existing typings. If I can click things, that's usually helpful. Grab these two guys. Okay. These are also TypeScript. I think I gotta back out of the stream soon. I can't work like this when these so slow. OBS claims my CPU's at 25, but it feels like 3 million. TypeScript. And the tests. Do 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 do. Right. I should put the whole. Their format. Yeah, should be good for now. So I'll call it 1.5 for today. And I gotta back out of the stream because it's like my computer's overloaded. I can't even switch between windows. So yeah,